Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about Retrieval-Augmented Generation, what it is, why it's needed, how it works, its architecture, applications, and advantages. Let's get started. Retrieval-Augmented Generation is an AI technique that improves responses by combining a language model with external knowledge. Instead of relying only on training data, it retrieves relevant information from documents or databases before generating an answer. Large language models have some limitations. They may not know recent information or organization-specific documents, and they can sometimes generate incorrect answers, known as hallucinations. Retrieval-Augmented Generation solves this by retrieving trusted, up-to-date information before generating a response, making answers more accurate and reliable. Let's see how it works. When a user asks a question, the query is converted into an embedding, a numerical representation of the text. It is compared with embeddings stored in a vector database to find the most relevant documents. The retrieved information is combined with the user's question and sent to the language model, which generates a context-aware answer. A retrieval-augmented generation system has two stages: the data ingestion pipeline, where documents are collected, split into chunks, converted into embeddings, and stored in a vector database; and the query execution pipeline, where the user's query is converted into an embedding, relevant documents are retrieved, and the language model generates the final response. Retrieval-augmented generation is widely used in customer support, healthcare, legal research, enterprise search, and educational platforms. Its key advantages include improved accuracy, reduced hallucinations, access to up-to-date information, and the ability to use private organizational knowledge without retraining the model. To summarize, retrieval-augmented generation combines information retrieval with language generation to produce accurate, reliable, and context-aware responses. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.